Hello everyone. Here we are on day 8 with a new thought for the day. And the new thought is I am, and then fill in the blank. My new thought today when I woke up was I am finishing my book. Yes, I've been writing this book for almost 2 years now, and it's been in the hands of an editor. I have rewrites to do, and frankly, it's a daunting task for me because my mindset has been sad because of the passing of my dear Husky, Greshka. I've really struggled with her death, which is why I have delayed these posts. Every morning when I wake up with her on my mind, I sit grateful that I did have her for 7 years. Being grateful is helping me to move forward from the sadness. My pets are as dear to me as my son and grandson. Do you have pets? If you do, you probably know what I'm saying. So if you're struggling to come up with your own thought for the day, wake up and try starting with I am and fill in the blank. Now I'll see you tomorrow, and tell me in the comments below, do you have a cherished pet? Or what are you grateful for? I would love to know. Thank you for sharing. Bye-bye.